It's just a fun day. It's just a learning day. It's a day to explore. It's a day to see what is possible, what we can do in the future. It's exciting. It's the emotion and how everyone is coming together and really forming community and help each other and get benefits out of it.
How are you feeling about it, Don?
Yeah, that's right.
That's fine. How long is the car? What's the McLaren?
Dimensions. It's about 2.1 wide.
Yeah. I'm sure it's 4.6.
4569 long.
Yeah, and then we might just have to stand like this next to the car or something, but it's alright.
You go in here on this stage, but you think I should be downstairs because that's just so much.
Jason, what time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
And what are we doing at the venue right now?
We're getting ready for our first ever Halosphere, our first ever customer community event for tomorrow, which will be very exciting.
And next, socks.
Socks.
How did you find today with packing 400 bags in 30 minutes?
I think it's good. I think you will know what's in the bags if anyone asks. I can say that. And it's just more efficient.
It was teamwork.
Teamwork. Half an hour, 7 people, done.
I was actually when we're doing it, I thought, this is great. You don't see this in anywhere else because it doesn't matter what your role is in the company, everyone just work together and have a fun time. It's been 40 minutes, but 30 minutes, but everyone had fun and we get stuff done.
Excited, Richard.
Excited for everything. Wonderful sleep and an early start.
We need to get through this door.
I think it's going to be fine. Yeah.
Honestly, your best but luck. That's right, needs to go. You want us?
How are you feeling about it, Don?
Yeah, that's right.
Not great. What do you think your chances are?
Let's find out. Hey, can we? Anyway, we can prop the doors open as well. Alright, yeah, keep going. Yeah. Nice and straight out.
Turn down. That's it.
Just, yeah, straight.
Yeah, okay.
Are we good that side?
I'm very good. Yeah, you can even.
We're through.
We're clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're clear. Quarter of an inch, but we're clear.
Alright, can someone grab these doors?
How'd it go?
Well,
Yeah?
surprisingly very well.
Would you do it again?
No.
It's going to be, yes.